toe. Now you can rest your shoulder, head down to the floor. Turn out yung leg. Ganyan. 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, draw all the way your leg to the back as you can. Keep your hip up. Butt up. 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold.